Today the class of trigonometry, some questions taken from 8.3. Question number 1 of this chapter. Sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. According to formula, sin 90 degree minus 72 degree, that is subtract to produce this degree upon cos 72 degree equal to cos 72 degree upon cos 72 degree, that is 1. Question number 2. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. According to formula of tan 90 degree minus 64 degree upon cot 64 degree equal to cot 64 upon cot 64 equal to 1. In this type of ratio related degree problems, their answer always will be 1. Question number 3. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Here 48 plus 42 degree equal to 90 degree. Therefore, sin cos 90 degree minus 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. 90 degree minus 42 degree equal to 48 degree. Here this both are equivalent. Then cos sin 42 minus sin 42 equal to 0. Question number 2. Now question number 2. Show that number 1, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree equal to 1. We have to prove this value is equal to 2. Hence, at first we gather the sum of degree that is equivalent to 90 degree. Now tan 48 into tan 42, tan 23 into tan 67. 67 plus 23 is 90. 48 plus 42 is 90. So I gather this term as shown on the board. We write it tan 48 degree into 1 by cot 42 degree into tan 23 degree into 1 by cot 67 degree. Hence this is in form of tan 48 degree upon cot 42 degree into tan 23 degree upon cot 67 degree. Here tan 48 and cot 42 are derived into in same manner of the angles. Then tan 48 degree upon tan 90 degree minus 48 degree into tan 23 degree upon tan 90 degree minus 23 degree. Here 90 minus 48 is 42, 90 minus 23 is this in form of degree. So according to formula tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, but here I derived it in form of cot and cot. So tan 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. So 48 is at the position of theta. Here 23 is also at the position of theta. So I can again write it 48 upon tan 48 into tan 23 upon tan 23. This is 1 into 1 equal to 1, proved. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. Here we have a formula of cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B is equal to cos A plus B. Now put here A equal to 38 degree, B equal to 52 degree. Therefore cos 38 degree plus 52 degree equal to cos 90 degree, that is 0, proved. Now for this type of problem solution you have knowledge about the formulation of trigonometry. Except this you can't do anything, and one can't do anything either in place of any students. Q3 of this chapter, tan 2a equal to cot a minus 21 डिग्री. अगर इसमें जो चैप्टर हम बनाने जा रहे हैं, अगर इसमें डिग्री या माइनस प्लस की कहीं भी फॉल्ट बाय द मिस राइटिंग बाय द पेन हो तो आप चैप्टर से उसको क्लियर कर लेंगे कि कहाँ पर प्लस है या कहाँ पर कितने डिग्री हैं, कहाँ पर क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अल्टर है बुक से, तो उसको आप बुक से कंफर्म कर लेंगे। वैसे मैं भी बुक से ही आपको क्वेश्चन देख के कर रहा हूँ, फिर भी अगर मिस राइटिंग हो रही है तो उसे आप देख लेंगे। Where 2A is an acute angle leisure to 90 डिग्री। 2A का जो वैल्यू होना चाहिए वह 90 डिग्री से कम होता है, तो उसे हम एक्यूट को एंगल या न्यून कोण कहते हैं। We have to clear and find value of A. Now tan A 2A equal to cot 90 degree minus A minus 18 degree hence tan 2A equal to tan A minus 18 degree. This tan and this tan, if abolished from this relation, then 2A equal to A minus 18 degree, 2A minus A equal to minus 18 degree, और A equal to minus 18 degree. Angle can't be negative, angle cannot be negative, so A equal to 18 degree. Value of A according to the questions, 2A is an acute angle, hence 2 into A equal to 2 into 18 degree, that is 36 degree, that is lesser than 90 degree, hence angle will be acute. Clear? Now the same question arises in question number 4. You have to, question number 5, you have deal it himself and herself. अपने आप इसे बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ठीक क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के मॉडल पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑफ 8.3 चैप्टर दिया गया है, इसे बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टच क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. दिस इज अ बोर्ड मॉडल क्वेश्चंस. This is the board model questions, and I advise to you already deal it. Very important question for incoming board examination of any type of board. Question is given, if A, B and C are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then show that sin A plus B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. देखें यहाँ कोई ट्रायंगल दिया गया है, मान लीजिए ये कोई ट्रायंगल है और ये ट्रायंगल जो है ABC है। इसके इंटीरियर एंगल के आधार पर आपको शो करना है साइन बी प्लस सी एंड हाफ इज इक्वल टू कॉस हाफ ए। साइन बी प्लस सी अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू कॉस ए बाई 2। ये आपको प्रूव्ड करना है कि इतना बराबर इतना होता है। एज वी नो एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी their sum is 180 degree. So if all the angle is divided by 2, then a plus b plus c upon 2, that is 90 degree. 90 degree. Hence a upon 2 plus b plus c upon 2 will be also 90 degree, and b plus c upon 2 equal to 90 degree minus a by 2. Now multiply this situation by sine both sides. Sine b plus c upon 2 equal to sine 90 degree minus a by 2, और sin b plus c upon 2 equal to cos a by 2. Here sin 90 degree minus a equal to cos a. By this formula we convert it in cos a by 2, because in place of a here is given a by 2, so cos a by 2 is equal to sin b plus c by 2. That is proved. Now I am coming to the example of this paper, this chapter, that is example number 11. See here, cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree, convert in the ratio of 0 degree and 45 डिग्री। ये बताती है कि ये जो गिवन रिलेशन है इसको 0 डिग्री से 45 डिग्री के टर्म्स में त्रिकोणमितीय अनुपात में बदल करके दिखाने के लिए कि ये कैसे दिखाया जाता है। तो आइए, हमारे पास ये टर्म है cot 85 को आप लिख सकते हैं cot 90 डिग्री माइनस 5 डिग्री प्लस cos 75 डिग्री 75 डिग्री को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, तो 90 डिग्री माइनस 15 डिग्री। दिस वे इट कैन कन्वर्टेड इनटू 10 5 डिग्री प्लस साइन 15 डिग्री 5 डिग्री एंड 15 डिग्री present in 0 degree and 45 degree. This is the explanation of express cot 85 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratio of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. This is the example 11. Now come to know about one examples also given here. Examination dealt by me to you are very important questions for every and each student. So you have to always deal same type of questions. Example number 10, sin 3a equal to cos a minus 26 degree. This is in form of, this can be written as cos 90 degree minus 3a equal to cos a minus 26 degree. Sin abolish, then 90 degree minus 3a equal to a minus 26 degree, or minus 3a minus a equal to minus 26 minus 90 degree, that is 116 degree, or minus 4a equal to minus 116 degree. This is terminated, then 4a equal to 116, therefore a equal to 116 upon 4, that is 29 degree. The value of a in this question is obtained 29 degree. Here, according to question, 3a is an acute, then 3 into 29, that is 87 degree, that is lesser than 90 degree.